Hello, I am Dr. Soraya Darwood. It's November 23rd, day one of our JAHJAH Foundation Melissa relief kind of efforts. Today we went to the Westgreen community. We saw about 22 patients, I think, from the age of 8 months up to 95 years. Lots of blood pressure, lots of back pain and muscle injuries. Patients are lifting heavy and trying to clean up and get their lives back on track, and they are injuring themselves in the process. We saw a few skin problems. We went to some elderly care facilities, and they're experiencing lots of challenges. So hopefully it was a successful day. They appreciated the help, and we can continue to be successful and hopeful in the future, the days to come.